Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with amber, the stone of rejuvenation. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to the prompts about how it can help you in your life, and then deciding if that is a gemstone that you would like to work with some more. If you haven't already watched the video, The Top 4 Crystal Wisdom Benefits of Amber, then I will link that up in the eye above in case you want to pause this video and go watch that one to hear a little bit more about the supportive benefits of amber before we start into this guided meditation. So first, amber isn't really a stone. It is fossilized tree resin. But I'm still calling it the Stone of Rejuvenation, just for simplicity's sake. If you do have a piece of amber, it is a good time to go and get that now and set it by your meditation space. But if you do not have a piece of amber, that is okay. This guided meditation will still work for you as you listen to the prompts and the supportive benefits, and if any of it feels familiar or calls to you, then that's a sign that you should get some amber and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need before we start this guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, as long as you can stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes as we sit with amber in meditation. So if you have your piece of amber, or you're ready to picture a beautiful amber color stone in your mind, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and take some slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to how it feels in your body to breathe right now. And then bringing that attention to the rest of your body, and notice if there are any physical sensations that arise right now. And bringing that focus to your heart center. And notice if you have any emotions sitting with you today. And then bringing your awareness to your mind and noticing the state of it today. Is it calm? Is it distracted? Is it busy? And we're not trying to change or fix anything. We're simply checking in to see what's going on with you right now. How are you right now? And then bringing your attention to those parts on your body that touch the cushion or the chair or the floor beneath you. to remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, perfectly supported by the entire planet, sitting directly over its center. You have access to all of the energy of Mother Earth. So it will guide and support you during this guided meditation today. If you do have a piece of amber, then pick that up and place that in your receiving hand, your non-dominant hand. And this is the hand that will receive the energy of the amber today. And take a minute to hold your piece of amber and to feel its weight in your hand, to run your fingers over the surface, see which parts are smooth or rough, and get to know your piece of amber. If you don't have amber, then picture an amber colored crystal or drop gemstone in your mind. Notice if anything changes in your heart and your body, your mind, since you've picked up the piece of amber. And imagine you are sitting in a colorful garden surrounded by bright, brilliant flowers. The sun is shining on you, making you feel warm and clean. And sit with this image of amber energy for a minute. Amber is the stone of rejuvenation. As you sit and imagine or hold the drop of amber, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Would you like to release some things in your life that you know are not healthy for you? Could you use a boost of positivity and hope? Have you found yourself stuck in a cycle of doubt or self-criticism or negativity? Have you considered starting a new project, but you're hesitant to start it? Are you ready to bring your dreams from ideas into reality? amber is a substance that can support you in all of these life situations. And if one of these scenarios, these questions stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you, to your body, to your heart, to your mind, and sit with it as you hold or imagine the amber. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you're holding the amber. And notice if anything in your body, your heart, your mind has changed since you've started this guided meditation. And then release the image of the amber energy and the situation you were sitting with, and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me in meditation with Amber today. And I hope that you found this useful. And if you do feel like amber is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive benefits of amber right when you need it. And that is the essence of how crystal wisdom works in our lives, knowing which situations in life that we want help with, which gemstones can help you, and to sit with them when you need them so that you can reflect inside about how you can navigate that life situation and challenge and really inspire transformation and change in your life. If you are new to this channel, or if you've been watching a while and you really enjoy the videos and you haven't subscribed, then please do hit the subscribe button, because I post about a different gemstone every single week. And if you're really interested in an in-depth study on how the various crystals and gemstones can really support your practical everyday life, then make sure to subscribe, because you don't want to miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.